morning and happy Tuesday. Getting ready to do a little shave. Got some thick stubble. Need to get in the shower and soften that up. All right, shower is done. That stubble is a little bit softer and the pores are open. Today's shave, I'm going to be using this double-edged safety razor and this amazing shave soap, both from Italy. Safety brush like this is going to exfoliate the skin, massage the skin, and then prep the hairs for a better, closer shave with less skin irritation. This is a double-edge safety razor because there's an edge surface there and an edge surface there. Just shaved with the hair growth. So for the closest shave, you shave with, across, and then against the stubble growth. Adam's apple. For anyone shaving any length of time, nicks can and do happen. Whether you have skin imperfections, you're hurrying too fast, you got some bumps on your chin like I do, that's okay. Nicks are small and they heal fast, and you can use something like this alum block. This is an antiseptic block that is going to soothe your skin and it's going to help heal those nicks fast. Get it wet, rub this on your skin, let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then wash it off. For a little additional post-shave care with a splash and balm. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Great double-edged safety razor from Italy. Look at that shave.